This is what we're going to do to address this very large window sill. A few coats of liquid membrane, and then we're going to install some Laticrete membrane over the top of it, overlap as well for watershed, and install one large single piece of tile for this sill.
Ready? Yeah.
620 tiles were installed in this surround. All right, still installing this tedious tile job, this tedious shower. A lot of cuts around windows, around niches. What we're doing here, we have our drywall installed so that it holds up our tile nice and level, as you can see there. We also have some board here. We're going to install tile here as well, and on this niche as well. We'll try to get this wall done, try to get up here done. I mean, it's a lot of tile, it's a lot of work, a lot of cuts, but today we should get the surround complete, excluding these sides. We left the tiles off here so that we can install our trim edging. And then of course we have our 1/2 inch thick Carrara porcelain tile, one piece for this window sill. Making progress, ladies and gentlemen. Niche needs to be completed. We'll do that today. This niche needs to be completed. We're working on the last row down here. So we installed a ledger board. We're going to install this last row, the side over here, and then focus on the window, the sides and the top. But we need to install our large 1/2 inch porcelain tile, one piece, install, and then we stack on top. All right, guys, time to cut the large porcelain tile for our window sill. 2 foot by 4 foot, floor and decor, very light, veins and movement, Carrera. And we're gonna cut it on our D36000. Makes it super clean, super easy. And we wanna make sure that it's cut correctly rather than using a snapper. This is going to be the true example of a grout party. Prepping and grouting the entire floor as well as the surround Arctic White. 620 tiles were installed in this surround. Vertical subway, double large niches, one piece porcelain sill, curbless entry. So yeah, prep. Grout today, do some drywall work up here. We have our cans in, vent fans installed. Today, hopefully we can install our tub and trim kit. So let's get to work. A lot of work to do. Here we go.